Your greasy, flying pigeon buds eyeballing.
They're gonna get murdered.
Yeah, they
we
are.
We already talked to the owner. We're coming in here on Sunday.
Yeah.
Some of those crazy movies we've seen.
Yeah,
where they're
it
doing
is
the
sort of like a
high-speed
crazy movie.
chases through the maze of
Bad Boys. Yeah, Bad Boys moving to Cuba.
I know. What up, YouTube? You are watching Swamp Fox Adventures. Today, Real Babes, John, Tracy, Jose, we are back at La Planta. The river is got like no current. So, and we know the river's really low, but you can see how stagnant it is. We're not sure how big the falls are gonna be today. This is the first one. Then we cross the river right up here. This is the first waterfall. And we're hiking up to the second one up this way. I'd wear your boots, babe. You know how rough it is. I would wear your boots. Made it across, I'm waiting on them. Real Babes decided to go barefoot. It's gonna end in disaster, I can guarantee it.
Look at my shoes. Mira.
mi boricua.
Okay, girlfriend. Does it get warmer?
That jungle water is a little cold, huh? A lot of this is spring fed.
How are you doing over there?
You know, once it hits that thermostat.
Here, Trace, you can come straight through here, it's easier. Heading up there, y'all. They're not gushing, but
That scared the shit out of me.
we got to go down this in a second.
No.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Right here where Real Babes is, we go down.
This is the tricky part. It's not that tricky, but it looks tricky. I'll show you.
It looks worse than it is.
It does look worse than it actually is. So, you get down to your butt, get some solid footing, throw yourself around, grab onto this.
Yep. Laura, you want me to go first?
It's up to you. I was gonna go right after Laura so I could
Pick this up on the way back.
Yeah, I can.
video y'all coming back. You can put it in the backpack if you want. Real Babe's down, Jose's down, John's coming, then Tracy, and then yours truly.
Well, if they can hold him, then
No, Mama. I'm bleeding already.
are you serious?
Hey, if it bleeds, it leads. Yeah.
Yeah, waiting for me.
We're about a third of the way down. I'm a fan of the butt monkey walk here.
Yeah, we did.
Guys,
What happened?
hummingbird.
Oh,
I didn't saw it. Where?
Beautiful. Green.
I haven't seen one in years.
So beautiful.
And this one. Well, from here we just go down. Switch out. Release that one. See, we got grip on
I think I'm gonna come down right here.
It's like a little
I
step.
wouldn't do it, Sean. I come over like you do.
Yeah, I think I'm taking the water route
You
back.
got dry bags?
Yeah, I got one for wallets and stuff.
Nice. Hey guys.
Yeah, the drone, it's way up there. I think Real Babes is gonna try to go get in the cave behind the waterfall. might jump, but I'm not diving. Okay, sexy. I think so. How is this?
Pretty badass.
We are underneath the waterfall. This is pretty fucking awesome. Oh, baby. This is pretty cool and very relaxing under here. The waterfall is almost like white noise. Whoa! Why? Oh, it dropped? Where are we, baby?
We're under a giant waterfall at the Planta in a tunnel that's carved into the
All
stone.
brick.
And then they laid it with brick. And now you have stalagmites forming, which is pretty interesting.
Okay, check it, y'all. I am going to show you what's on the other side of this cascade of water right here. We just came out of this waterfall. And now we got to go down the waterfall. You can probably flop off there. Yeah. And you're lucky to smack one. Okay, I'm gonna get my butt down on this lower waterfall and I'm just gonna scoot into the water. And y'all are coming with me. That's the tunnel we were just in.
I don't know why, but I bet you that the guy is the guy with the foraging head.
Oh yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. We think this is a tour guide or a tour group because they all have matching life vests. And we just shoved everything into the dry bag because we're gonna take the river back down.
Bless their hearts.
What? Well, that's great.
I was talking about John about the guy with the walking stick. That's a great idea. Who goes first?
I'll go first.
All right. I'll let Sean go.
Yeah.
Okay. The objective is to keep the bag over my head when I go completely under. I don't know, it's not as deep as it has been.
It's a surprise, dude.
I can see the hole though.
I'm good.
We're gonna go. Wait for it. Wait for it. Wait for it.
Great.
Okay.
You only have to go a couple of feet.
Is it shallow now?
I don't know. I think this is the deepest. I think we're gonna do it.
Maybe some silt.
Yeah.
Maybe some silt from the rain.
Water
Filled
is
out the
a lot
gap.
lower
Yeah.
now than it has been. Oh, he made it.
Yeah, look at the wall. The
Yeah.
green grass is like a foot
Yeah, I mean last.
or maybe 2 foot taller.
Yeah.
I think so. I think you're right.
Yeah, it looked a lot lower than it was last time. Nice. Oh, that's cold. Good touch.
Here, let me see the GoPro, babe.
Hold on until I get it good. Got it.
Si no tienen zapatos, se pueden golpear un pie.
Estamos con cuidadito tocando,
Ooh. What'd y'all think of that?
Freaking awesome, my friends.
The back of my knee.
Got some gimpy?
Gimpy gimpy. It's basically like a stinging nettle. I got some on the back of my knee. Real Babe's got some on her stomach. And we think it's growing on the rocks where we slide down. Because I always slide down on my butt and the back of my legs, and that's where I get it. Real Babe slides down on her stomach, and that's where she gets it. Those are the little red blooms that the hummingbirds have been going absolutely crazy on. Down the river, from the waterfall, out of the jungle.
Yeah.
Got a signal?
Yeah.
Yeah, I always get like 1 bar till we get back out to 10.
Yeah, before the stairs,
Yeah.
funny thing, I had signal, Dad called me
Oh, no shit.
from Colombia.
Ah, that makes a lot of sense.
I know,
Different accent too.
I've been there.
Yeah.
It's definitely warmer.
Oh yeah.
As soon as it hits the outside.
Yeah. You can feel the discharge from the hydroelectric. It's warmer.
Oh, yeah.
Here we are back at the trailhead right along the Rio Tanama. Real Babes is excited about baby ducks.
I love baby ducks.
And I think we're gonna head up into the mountains. Jose's gonna go ship out a trophy iguana to the taxidermist in Mississippi. Mike Welch, best reptile taxidermist there is. We are now driving out through the village of Tanama. That was La Planta, and for those of y'all that watch the channel, we actually go to La Planta quite a bit. It's a quick walk. It's not even really a hike. You got the tunnels, you got the river, you got the waterfalls. It's gorgeous, and it's probably one of the closest big waterfalls to our house. Today is a house chore day. I am installing cameras, lights, working on the cistern, doing laundry, and Real Babes has to go back to South Carolina on the 23rd, I think. So it's sort of crunch time, but I am gonna get these videos out to you, and I've got so much footage on that iPad that I can't do any more videos until I get these all out to you. So that's what I'm doing today. It is Saturday, and if we do anything exciting, y'all are gonna come with us. Love y'all, and we will talk to y'all soon.